pitso ya thulaganyo ya Dumela Botswana mo mosongwana wa la bono ke tsang ke re itumela jalo kgaso ene re kgasang jalo ka thambalo go tswa jalo mo toropo kgolo ga borona mme ya re tibele jalo ka go bona seemo sa bosa se bua jalo gona gore Chobe Southern Central and Northeast District cloudy and mild with isolated thunder showers metare ka go Ngamiland and North Central District gona jalo ele cloudy and warm with isolated thunder showers Ganzi District partly warm with isolated thunder showers metare mo Kgalagadi South and Southeast Gauteng Kwening District gona jalo fine partly cloudy and warm with isolated thunder showers metare mo tsa monyetsa bona jalo toropo go ga bona mo 28 Ghetto and Phalape le mo 29 ha ka ko Maun 31 sa bon 31 ngojane le gantsi tsone tsa majalo di le mo 31 degrees Celsius mme le jalo seemo sa bosa sa moso kana ke re sa tsa moya letsatsi lone e la bone mme ja ka se go tlhatsa thulaganyo ke yona Dumela Botswana mme mosa gompiko re ba jalo re pitso ke a yone balemi ba rui mosa gompiko ja ka se bontsha tsa go ha ke sa mekelo se ke jalo le kgaitsela ke lala slay le gore ke eno ke simotse lene e bile ke ta hetsa lene thulaganyo Dumela Botswana mo bekeng yone ya week 43 of Dumela Botswana. Hello, hi.
Wow.
Yeah,
yes, we are 43 out of 52.
Yeah, 43 out of 52.
So, we are.
Hey, but why
do we have that thing where we panic because the year is at the end, and because it's gonna get to the beginning again? That's the crazy thing.
You know, now I'm not okay, but I'm not okay, honestly.
Come Monday, let's a psychologist that are working in
anxiety means I just don't want to lie. There's so much going on, but at least I made it out alive. That's all that matters.
I love that you say you made it out alive.
Yeah.
We're still making it through the days, we're still making it through the weeks. Like it's like I said, now to make it Dumela Botswana, the breakfast show on a Thursday, and I'm very excited for today's conversations.
Yeah.
First things first, Ben,
yes. But luckily
I figured it's a yes from you.
But luckily
you sound like you.
And I hate well, I don't like dogs. Hate is just too strong.
Hate is such a strong word. But today I think that's oh my goodness. But I really want to find this out because that day Neki decided high school I decided I want to go crazy with the hair. Red hair, I am 2 seconds.
I don't like girls like this one.
Let's go. I told you the only time I'm running is when I'm running for my life.
Okay.
But today we're trying to understand the aggression behavior or the aggressive behavior in dogs. What? Di ba kwa king kana na kontsedi ngwa go tenja bogale kana re batla go ira ntja bogale ra itshena ra bohella e tla be now is that cruelty is it cruel or does it make dogs more aggressive? It is cruel, right? But also let's find out why certain dogs are aggressive, and we've seen I think last year was a very big social media debate. There are certain types of dogs. Body bulldog, they are mauling people, they're killing people. Should we be allowing these types of dogs in our country if we've seen death rates at the hands of these dogs? But I want to blame. You know what?
You know what? One thing that I've realized I think so.
Maybe.
Because every time I give freezer, so I'm thinking, how am I going to I'm trying to receive all the time.
So today we'll be finding out from why are dogs aggressive and how we can better live with them and know which aggressive dogs and what to do around them when they're aggressive.
Yes, on the second hour of the show, you know what and one thing that we want to be sure go gore madiantse ra ipela siama bolokesegile so ke tsa ke re hala gore mothontshe le ba jalo thwana Dumela Botswana thanks gore Paysana is the mobile wallet ile gore it's safe and secure to keep your money safe throughout the year.
And because on the breakfast show we're always talking things money, we also encourage you gore Be alert when there are scammers around because nakong tse dingwe gote bogote ke ba lebile mo breakfast show ba bua ka madi tla ke bona gore nka go jala Batswana madi jang. So we always encourage you to listen attentively to know when it is a scam and when it is reality. So make sure that you are there for that conversation in the second hour of the show. But otherwise, Miss K will be here completing her 3-day BNOC chair interviews.
Yes.
What the final candidate, what they have in store for us. But otherwise, with sports, I'm sure you guys are happy somehow, somewhere. There's always a game. How did Liverpool play?
It won. Thank you very much. Yes,
shout out to you.
Yes, but
Miss K can show
I'll share the excitement with Miss K at exactly 6:10. First things first, this is how we do it. How do we do it? Ya lower body bend. Lower body bend
leg day.
Yes.
Leg day. It's about
the thighs and the lower body bend.
Welcome to the Benal Session Studio. Myself, Daniel Mweng, and I'm with Kumo. So today we're going to do the lower body burn. So it's mainly going to be legs. Are you ready? Let's get to it. So now we're going to do a little warm-up, okay? So we're just going to swing our legs forward and back. Forward and back, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. The other side. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. All right, shake it off. All right, let's get to it. Now we're going to do reverse lunges, okay? Reverse lunges, hands on your waist or to the side, it's entirely up to you. Are you ready? We're going to bring the legs backwards and go down, okay? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, and back. 2, and back. 3, 4,
burnout session.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. So the next one is jump squats, okay? Legs slightly apart, engage your core, okay? We're going to go down and jump up. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go down and up. 1, 2, 3,
Burnout session.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. All right, shake it off. So next one, side lunges. So legs apart, okay? Now we're going to lunge on one side, hands to the side or forward. I prefer forward. Okay, so we're going to go down
Burnout session.
and back. Okay, are you ready? 5 this side and 5 the other side. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3,
Burnout session.
4, 5. The other side. 1, don't turn. 2, look forward. 3, 4, and 5. Nice one. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. All right. So guys, legs are very important. You need to always train your legs. Okay, so shake it off. Let's go down. Okay, next one, we're going to do bicycles, okay? Are you ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice one. Now we're just going to stretch it off, cool it down. Bring the leg up. The other side. And back. Other side. Oops, what's happening? And shake it off. All right, well done. Well done. See you next time, guys.
That's mo tsela la bone taxes ba ka se ke go ditse go gamogele ke bua karabo Miss Cable sena re simolla jalo ka go komela jalo tsa metshameko mme re simolla ka go leba jalo go ba le Dumela Botswana Tennis Association tse bile re lebella jalo motshameki wa rona ke bua jalo ka Ntungamile Ragwin o ileng gore mo tsela maabane ne ke go tlhalosetsa jalo gore o ka go France gone ka kwa a ile go tsenela jalo the J100 memo tsela maabane le tsere mona ene Ntungamile a khona gore a hetele jalo go the quarterfinals moraga gore a fenya jalo Christian a mo fenya 6-2-7-6 re tabarentse re go ba jalo mo dinakong gore gone mme o ira ka tselentseng jang gone ka ko mme ha le balla jalo ntse re le mo go tswela tsa tennis ba tlhalosa jalo gore ba ba tshwere jalo the JTI Tennis Festival mme go simolla jalo ka mathatso ka di 25 ba tlhalosa jalo gore ba tabo ba le ka ko jwaneng ga mmogo jalo le ka ko maung go eleng gore gone ko ba solehetse jalo gore go tsitse bana ba nne jalo le the tennis festivals for bana ba ileng gore ba ga gare ga dingwaga tse 5 le 10 le bone 5 and 14 years e le tennis e leng gore di a diragala tsa tennis a le go batla go itse gore gone mme o ka ikgolaganya le mang o ka itse le gore o ka letsa 7675 3900 kana 72134 310 ke yone megala o ka letsa nyone o ha ile gore o batla go itse jalo gore o tshwanetse re o dire go rutise ngwana wa gago gone ka ko re ntse re